Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be installing some canards on our bumper here that I got off of Wish. We'll go ahead and take a look at them real quick and then show you what you need to get them on there. Alrighty, so here is the set that I got. I went ahead and got the black carbon fiber to match the carbon fiber samurai lip that I did. And to install it, we're just going to use some rubbing alcohol and some paper towel. Make sure that we clear off any oil or grease, any contaminants that are on our bumper here. Alright, so I think I'm going to take this big piece here and actually put it kind of down here towards that little wedge down here under the light. I'm not going to be able to do all three down here like I thought because the light fixture here sinks in and there's all these cracks right here. And then probably the little one's going to go like right in here and the medium one just above this. But basically to install these, it's easy. It's just the double-sided, 3M tape. You're just gonna peel off this side here and then make sure you've got it aligned where you want it and then stick it on. And of course you want to press and hold it for a little bit to make sure that it adheres all the way and doesn't slip off. And then for this medium one, I'm going to stick it just above that, but kind of at a different angle. I'll go ahead and peel this stuff off here. I think what I'm going to do is go upwards kind of at that angle there from this corner and get it right there. Alright guys, so I took a step back real quick and was looking at it, and I actually kind of like it just like that. I don't even think I'm going to put that third one right there in that little crease. I'm just going to stick with the two. We'll go ahead and put the two on the other side and then take a look at those. Alright, we're going to take our alcohol paper towel, clean this side off as well. Go ahead and get all these nasty things off of here, and make sure that when you're cleaning with the alcohol that you're taking it off after. You don't want to leave really strong alcohol on your paint finish because it can eat away at it. And then we're basically just going to try and match it up as best we can on this other side here. We'll peel off our red there. And then we went basically down into this little corner and then right here where we've got this little bit of curve on the fender. And there we go. And then for our bottom one, go ahead and get that off of there. We basically want to line it up this point with the bottom over here, and then this point over here again where the curve is. About right there. Stepping back and taking a look at them, they actually look pretty decent on there. The carbon fiber's just a little bit different than what I got on the lip down there, but nonetheless, it actually looks pretty decent. I just thought it'd be a fun little mod to do for a couple bucks. I think it was like $5 or $10 to get a set of these. There will be a link down in the description below if you guys want to go ahead and pick up a pack of them for yourselves. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any questions or anything, let me know down in the comments below. Hope to see you in my next video.